In today's video guys, I'm gonna teach you how to copy and paste an object or anything you want in Bedrock Edition. First, go in here, type this command, this. You're gonna click this and it will appear in your inventory. Second, build anything you want. For example, like this. Guys, I just built a house. Then, when you're done building anything you want, just place that thing that I said to you. You can adjust it to how big you need to do it. Alright guys, I just perfectly formed it. This is my adjustment. What you need to do is to name it. I'm just gonna name it 1. Click save. The next thing you should do is you should place the thing back and it's still nothing. You need to press this and that you need to name the name that you write. I write 1, so I'm gonna write 1. Click here, press load. Place the loading in here and it will load what you build. Subscribe for more video. Bye.